Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have Email Writer. It is an also AI based email writing tool. So if you are watching this video, you know how valuable email marketing or email writing is, and for that exact purpose this platform is here for you. Let me give you a quick demonstration of how it actually works. So first you are going to be simply logging into Email Writer and then select the niche or industry that you are going to be working on, then answer a few questions about your product services that you are going to be targeting. Of course, if you are email marketing or simply bulk emailing to different people, you have something in mind about your product and the type of target audience. So you are going to be defining that in your second phase on Email Writer platform that we are discussing today. Then click on create email sequence and the software will generate a 5 to 9 days email sequence and a go. This is an important phase where it is going to be using the power of artificial intelligence to create some highly eye-catching and hooking, you can say, like emails for your target audiences, and then send emails to your list. And that will be the final step of this system, and then eventually you will get your best results. You can see in the dashboard they have this type of marketing services available. You want to create your email related to different type of products, you can do that. You can create multiple campaigns and email systems. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this platform. Make sure to give it a try, and highly appreciated and highly recommended. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a like if you feel like our content is valuable enough. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards on these platforms. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.